init. I'm almost done with my workout. So, ayun. Exercise lang. Medyo mataas na yung araw. Akit na tayo. So, lock natin yung gate kasi we have kids. Ayan. So, it's almost 8:45. I'm going to log in as a work because my work starts at 9 a.m. So, yun. Mag-work tayo ngayon. Log in na. Init ba? Pinapakita ko lang yung okay, we're almost done with our work.